Some of you must have seen my previous video where I talked about skincare routine before makeup, the steps you need to follow, the steps you need to take before applying your makeup. In my previous video, I talked about 5 steps on how to do your makeup or how to do your skincare before makeup. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you those steps. I'm going to be doing the steps on my face, the 5 different steps on my face. We're going to be doing it step by step. It's going to be practical. I would not want you to make mistake. I don't want you to make mistake whenever you're doing your own makeup. If you follow these key steps, you're going to get a flawless makeup at the end of the day. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chioma Sunday of Sunchi Glow Artistry. Please, if you're new here, please kindly click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching. So let's get into it. Then the first step we're going to be doing today is we talked about our cleansing. First of all, before we start cleansing properly, I'm going to be using my face wipes to cleanse my face. So we're going to get our face wipes. This is what it looks like. All of you know what a face wipe is. This is it. I'm going to be cleaning my face properly. It's a face wipe. I'm going to clean all part of my face. I've had my bath, but if you see the wipe, you still see, if you check out the wipe, you still see small dents in it. So that's why it's very important you always cleanse or wipe your face with a very clean wipe before your makeup. So I'm going to look at the mirror so I can get it done properly. I have to dry this up. You can get a face fan, a standing fan, whichever. So I'm going to be using my face fan. Make sure your face is dried up properly. Next one here, we'll be using our cleanser, our face cleanser. It's not just a face cleanser, it's also a foaming cleanser. It's from FBH Cosmetics. It's a foaming cleanser. So instead of using a normal regular cleanser that everybody knows, I'm using a foaming cleanser. This has foam in it. Just shake properly before you use it on your face. Please don't mind the face I'm making. I just need it to go around. Okay, so after this step, you clean it with a very clean wipes and a cotton pad, or you go in with your cotton pad. For those of you that don't know what a cotton pad is, this is it. This is what it looks like. And this one here is from Mattifying Cosmetics. So this is it. I'll just clean off gently. I have to look at the mirror, so that's why I'm facing this direction. I'm getting a fresh cotton pad to clean up. Then after cleaning it this way, then you use a very clean wipe for it. A very clean wipes. Get a clean wipe because there'll still be foam in your face. So get a very clean wipe. See, it's still dirty. Look at the first one I use. The first one I use is very dirty, not too dirty, but look at it. Even after cleaning my face, look at it. It's still dirty. Even after cleaning my face, can you see it? I used wipe to clean my face and I already had my bath. There's still dirt in this thing. So after that, you use your face wipe to clean it thoroughly. Then I cannot dry up the face. So I'm going to be drying up the face now. Please always follow these steps. Always follow these steps. So I think my face is ready. My face is ready for the next products. Yeah. So can you see how fresh my face is? So let's go in to the next product. So the next step is to apply your toner, your face toner. We're going to be using our Tears toner to apply it on our face. Our tail. I'm going to be dropping it on the screen All products will be dropped on the screen. In my previous video, I didn't talk about this spray, but we're going to be using this spray to set the face. Set the whole face before you start applying any other thing on your face. Let's go in with our fan. Please always dry up each process. Always dry up each product you apply on the face. Always dry up each product. Don't apply any products on the face when the previous product is not dried up on the skin. Please, it's very important. So I'm using this Advanced Moisturizer Power Essence. So I'm going to be using this as my face serum. Then I'll apply on my face like this. Then I'll use my brush to blend it in. So make sure you apply this properly. Apply it all over the face. Allow it to blend into the skin before you dry up. So I'm going to wait for like a minute or a few seconds to allow it to sink. Then I'll dry it up. Okay, so we'll be going in with our next product, which is the moisturizer. I'm going to be applying this. All the products I use, I'll be dropping them on the screen. This is it, little. So like I said in my previous video, please always know your skin type. Your skin type will determine the amount of moisturizer you're applying on the face. I have a combination skin, so this is not so much for a combination skin. The moisturizer brings a lot of heat, so that's why you need to know your skin type. I'm already sweating, so I'll have to dry up. This fan is affecting my hair. It's stopping my hair. I don't know, maybe I'll get a clip or something. Let me just get a clip to clip this hair first of all. I'll be right back. I'm taking it this way. I don't know if I'm clipping it the right way, but I feel this is okay. Just clip it this way, it's not be affecting. I think it's better this way. Okay. I think we're good. It's better this way. After applying the moisturizer, the next thing is to apply your face primer. And in my previous video, I talked about two different types of primer. I told you we have two different types of primer. We have the hydrating and we also have the mattifying primer. So in this video, I'm going to be using both hydrating and mattifying. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. So I'm using this hydrating primer. This hydrating primer is from Elf. Then I'll apply gently like this, just a little product on the face, just to hold your makeup together. I think now I'm packing it in. I try to avoid the under eyes. Please do not apply your primer under your eyes. Avoid applying primer under your eyes. It makes your makeup break. Please, this is a trick that some of you do not know. Don't apply your primer under the eyes. Only your moisturizer can go there and every other product can go there, but your primer, please avoid it. You know your primer helps you to grip your makeup. So if you're applying primer under there, it will make that place to be cakey. I would not want that kind of look, a cakey look or cakey makeup. Do you understand? So also allow this to dry up for a while. So you can see my hair is no longer flying. So we're going to be applying the next product, which is our mattifying primer. So we're using our Gentle Dove mattifying primer. This primer grips so well. It's very effective. So I'm going to be dropping all the products I used on this screen. So even though you don't see this, it's fine. You're still going to see it on the screen. I told you in my previous video that You cannot apply your mattifying primer all over the face. You only apply your mattifying primer on the T-zones, those parts of your face that sweat a lot, like your forehead, just the way I'm doing it, like the forehead, on top of your brows, because you do not want oily brows when applying a foundation or when drawing our brows. So you can apply your mattifying primer there, the bridge of the nose. The side of the nose you can apply. Just take it to the ears and apply it. As you can see, my face is dried up and it's ready for makeup. So I can wear my foundation now, my concealer, my contour, my cream blush, everything can now come in. And there's no way this makeup will break if I apply makeup on this face. There's no way this makeup will not hold, will not grip. If you have any question, kindly drop on the comment section, or if you learned something from this tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed, you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.